Hey gang! I haven't vlogged in a minute, but we're back in the Philippines. Look at this hairpin that I got in Japan. Probably the cutest hair accessory I've ever owned in my entire life. The view. Oh, and this is Metro Manila. But yeah, we're here until the 20th, then we head back to Texas. It's 9 p.m. I'm not sure if we're gonna go out and get food or if we're gonna order something. Oh, it's a little wobbly. I can give you a little haul right now from things that I got last minute, and I had to put it in my little bag. I got these blue tinted sunglasses with black frames. So these are really cool. And then in the airport, I got this. Should I take it out? This is a little cat figurine. Neko cat. So cutie. This one represents, I believe it said good fortune and wealth. And then I got a Smisky hipper, which this is my first time buying a Smisky for myself. But I got a new phone case in Harajuku. Yeah, so I can't put this hipper on this phone anymore. I'm gonna put it on my old phone. But let's open it. I'm sure you guys are familiar with these. I think I'm okay with any of them, but I think I want this one, climbing. This one, the mystery, which I believe are headphones, is really cute. And then this one's really cute. And then this one's really cute. And this one's really cute. Let's do it. Oh.
Everybody's gonna set up, okay?
Okay. I got the one with the little diaper. That's really cute. Look at those eyes.
They don't have a air freshener in the room. So when you take off your shoes, the room smells.
Look at my hipper. Anyways, let's try some of the snacks I didn't get to. Let's try this one. Oh yeah. Look at
What
it.
is that? What is the name? There is.
Whoa, it smells like takoyaki.
Our taste.
Kind of tastes like a barbecue chip, but mom tastes it. Okay, I had to relocate because they put another bed in our room. Okay, last thing that I'll be trying are these this green pea snack. I am thinking it's gonna taste like what's that brand? Harvest Farm?
Harvest Snaps.
Ew, smells like plastic.
Ew.
Looks different.
Just mad. Gosh. Ow.
The texture is very different. They taste kind of similar. I mean, it's the same type of food. I kind of like it. Yeah.
Doesn't taste like plastic.
The more I eat them, the more I like it. Alright.
Shut the hell up. There's a Din Tai Fung.
We're at Shakey's.
And red bell peppers.
Scaletti.
Full 14.
There's no meat
Whoa.
Scallop is crazy.
Shakey's special. Mojo's and dip. Truffle 4 cheese. It smells good.
Somebody contact me. I did. I used a shirt.
It's It's lunchtime. Oh, the spoon is so round.
One.
It's so cute. It's 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 cute.
Yeah.
I also got matcha and
let me.
mushrooms.
Serena,
I love
what time's the
matcha.
reservation?
Look how big this is. Looks like like we've never eaten. Beautiful.
Okay. So when do I get a consultation? Tomorrow after my Botox?
Toys R Us came in clutch. Maybe the mango doge, the grape elephant, or the coconut raccoon. Oh my god, does it smell like the fruit? A little boot. What the heck? Is it the mango one? It's the mango doge.
What is the boot for?
The feet.
Are the feet that tiny? Oh.
Does it smell like a mango? Oink, oink, oink. Again. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink.
Does it have a name?
I'm gonna name it. What's his name? Pig in Chinese is
Juju on the beat.
name Jugo.
Wait,
Jugo.
Jugo, oink, oink.
I'm naming it Hugo.
Oink.
Hugo.
Hugo, oink, oink.
Hugo. Oink, oink.
For shadow ba po, mas magkaya pa rin sa akin yung
Bring it back.
Red ko naman. Balik tapos timulit na.
Are you ready to play the music?
Oh yeah!
I should start getting used to this music.
Party, everyone!
Go look at. Oh, I'm gonna try the potato chip chocolate uji matcha and sancho. It's potato chip covered in matcha. Ooh, it smells like matcha and potato chips. Well, look at that.
try.
Look at that.
Cheers.
Cheers. I didn't like it.
That is yummy.
Very yummy. Mmm, yummy. Mmm. Yeah, that's yummy. Mmm. Mmm. I have to put that away. That's yummy. Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory. These are like a cracker with a cheese. I don't know how to describe. It kind of reminds me
Literally does taste like a sweet Ritz.
of a Ritz cracker, but it's yummy. These are a little stale now because they were left open all day and all night.
Rice first.
It's not like mainit.
It's like a bubble. Lolo, tawag! Lolo, complete! Big scholars. Wow.
Look at that. Can I try this now?
Taste this.
That's delish.
Matcha jelly.
You don't want to try this, Adam?
I'm sure. Just a
Take a bite. Wait, there's something crunchy. Guys, look at the shirt I just made at Uniqlo. I have this Polaroid. It's me and the deer bowing to each other. I love it. Bye, Greenbelt. Bye, Dior. Bye, Louis. Bye, Versace. Mabumbay. Look at my mabuhay meal. I got a salad with sesame. It's a sesame something dressing. There's pancit canton. There's Korean fried chicken. Ham and cheese sandwich. Beef burger slider. And then seasonal fresh fruits. Mango, watermelon, pineapple. They're offering champagne, a glass of champagne, and everybody's saying no. I'm not everybody.